What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, your boy D. Check this out. So what I wanted to talk to you all about is gray hair. It seems to be a big deal. Everybody's fighting not to wear gray hair. I see all these episodes on how to move without gray hair. So quick introduction: if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, all those things that YouTubers say. If you're not new to the channel, you know this was a fit after 40 channel, but I fell, ripped my quadricep tendon. Quick update, and I wasn't able to be fit. I am kind of fit. I lost some weight, but that's another story. But I want to talk to y'all today about these gray hairs that everybody's going crazy about, and a lot of people don't like them. They're like, hey, how do you get rid of gray hair? Today I want to go in reverse. How do you keep that gray hair and keep it rocking? You really just have to be confident in who you are. Gray hair is a beautiful thing. I don't want to talk about my experience. I talk about how I feel, how people in my life feel. Well, that is my experience. I think gray hair is a beautiful thing. It's natural. It's you. And I think that's the most important thing. If you're just yourself, then you don't have to pretend to be somebody else. It's that basic, that simple, that easy. But it looks good. I think it looks good. It might show your age or show who you are, but sometimes people say, well, it's wisdom. I've even saw videos where people were trying to act like it's some sort of health deficiency, eat more antioxidants and all of that other jazz. But why not just be you? Why not just embrace your beauty? Why not just embrace, maybe you're not beautiful, I don't know. Maybe you don't think you're beautiful. Just embrace you. It's a sign of wisdom. It's a sign that you made it to the next step. It's a sign that you're going forward, that life is happening. Getting older is a blessing. What about the people who didn't make it, who didn't get older? So it's kind of like a mix. There's nothing really scientific about this. I think you should embrace your gray hair, groom it, trim it up. But what I'm doing, I'm not groomed, because I think I'm letting everything wolf out until the end of the year. Happy holidays, all that jazz. Guys, rock that gray hair. Be yourself. Don't be somebody else. You ever see that person? They're like 60 years old and everything is jet black, and you're like, that's too black, or that's too brown, or that's too whatever. But of course you got to do what you want to do. If you want to tighten your thing up and get all whatever it is you get and run around and be an imposter or be somebody that you're not, hey, go ahead and do that. But me, and I think there's a few of us who want to just embrace who we are, embrace that life, embrace that elderlyism, that wisdom, that wise character. And I think it looks good. I think it looks good on a man and a woman. And if you take care of yourself, and the gray is probably the smallest thing you need to worry about. Just take care of yourself. Wear your gray hair. I'm just in my head, I'm trying to come with something profound. But I think everything I just said, I think being yourself is profound. And then you kind of look ridiculous trying to be young when you're not. It does look ridiculous. I promise you it does. So, hey, leave it in the comments. You rocking that gray hair? Say gray hair. If you're ashamed of it, I'm here to help you say, hey, be proud of it. Wear that joint. And if this isn't, because I feel like I haven't convinced those people who are battling to fight the whole gray hair thing, because I don't have any scientific notes saying don't do this because of what. Oh, but men, look, you put that chemical on your face, up near your nose and you're breathing it in, that can't be good for you. Wear the gray hair, man. It's probably more healthy for you, a more natural state. And the most beautiful thing about it is you are you. No one else can be you but you. You are whoever you're supposed to be. But if you gotta do it, put the dyes and all that other stuff on, walk around, get yourself right. But all my gray hair lovers, let's do this. I think gray is beautiful. I'm reaching my first month at age 50. I feel great. I think I look great. I don't know. Maybe I'm fooling myself. But I'm not faking. Alright, y'all. I will see you on the next video. Have fun. Peace. Later. Be safe out there.